Electrons in the Atom by Jaquelyne and Emily Lee. Once upon a time in the 1800s, a little boy named Neil Bohr was playing outside and was fascinated by the light around him. He was so fascinated, he promised to become a scientist when he was older. "20 years later. One day, in his lab using his spectroscope, he found out that all light comes from atoms and each pure element has its own unique spectrum of colors. He proposed a concept of energy levels to explain the spectrum of hydrogen. His theory stated that electrons must be on one energy level or another and cannot be between energy levels, and that electrons can change energy levels by absorbing and releasing light. The energy released by the electron is what we see as light. But one day, another scientist examining Bohr's model found that electrons in the atom move around the nucleus in the area called an electron cloud. While Bohr was working with the atoms, he discovered that the further away the electrons were from the nucleus, the less energy it had. Each energy level could only hold a certain amount of electrons. The first level can only hold up to 2 electrons. The second and third can hold up to 8 electrons each, and the fourth and fifth can hold up to 18 electrons each. As electrons are added to the atom, it occupies the lowest unfilled energy level. For example, if there are 3 electrons, 2 will fill the first energy level, and the remaining electron will fill the second energy level. Anyways, if you were wondering, Niels Bohr ends up receiving the Nobel Prize in Physics for his contributions. The end.